How do you like it so far?
This is dope, man. I needed this. I enjoyed this just as much as I do the Calico stuff, because the Calico stuff's a little stressful even though it's fun. This is just super chill and good scenery.
Yeah, for sure. I agree.
That's one of the reasons I bought the Jeep, is not necessarily things like Calico every time, but just hitting some of those trails like out Sedona, Moab. I want to do that kind of stuff, and I just thought this might be better suited for it.
Yeah, especially once you start taking your kid out, it's definitely more comfortable if you go on a trail like this. It doesn't freak them out or anything.
Yeah, well, I'll see with my daughter, but I know my son will definitely be into it.
What is up, guys? George here with another video, and I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video I have my good friend Jason. You've probably seen him in my previous videos with his crazy build. We are here enjoying the beauty of nature. You already know we're gonna do some fishing, we're gonna be eating some good food. We have actually some really good food today: steak, lobster, asparagus, some good drinks,
Brussels sprouts.
yeah, it's gonna be good times. Enough said. Let's get all set up and we'll see you in a bit. All right, so now that we have explored the area for a little bit,
I'm hungry.
let's do it. Time to cook. All right, guys, like I said at the beginning of the video, we went to Seder Bros and we got some lobsters. Unfortunately, these are pretty small, but we did get 4 of them. It's gonna be enough to satisfy that craving, or that lobster craving. It's kind of like going to Red Lobster, but here in the outdoors. Man, I'm super excited. We're gonna be using a simple recipe, nothing fancy. So once you put your butter in the tray, we're gonna be using some lemons. Those of you guys that are checking out my knife, yes, it's sharpened today. So now we're gonna grab our limes, and we're simply just gonna squeeze a lime all over the lobster. You can never go wrong with a lot of lime. So now we're gonna get some parsley. You can use actual parsley itself with the stems and whatnot, but I just grabbed some from Seder Bros. This is basically just powder, and we're just gonna put a generous amount just to give it some flavor. We're gonna get some salt, and last but not least, some garlic as well. So for those of you guys that like spicy stuff, paprika is always good with everything, so we're gonna just add a generous amount all over. Bam! Check that out, guys. Check that out. So now that we have the lobster in the container and you guys have a clear idea of all the ingredients going in, now we're gonna grab the lobsters, we're gonna place them right on top of the Skottle grill, let all the juices out, put all the lemons around it, and now we're gonna place the small container on top and let it steam for 5 minutes. All right, Jason. Do it again, bro.
I'm ready.
So we got the asparagus. We have the
Brussels sprouts.
steak ribeye, to be specific, and man, the lobster. I'm telling you guys, we can enjoy anything out in nature, and I'm telling you right now, everything just tastes better while you're out here.
One of the best steaks I've ever had.
Oh man. That's like $10 right there.
I know. I'll Venmo you.
He's saying I'll Venmo you when he paid for this, so I don't know what he's talking about. Oh boy. That's $20, bro.
Hey, you can't have me on YouTube anymore.
Don't drop that one.
I'm not going to.
That was like $20 right there.
I'll eat it if I do. Man.
How is it? Bomb?
Unbelievable.
Believe it or not, this is a simple recipe that I found on Pinterest for the lobster. So it was lemon, garlic salt, parsley, some salt, and what do you think? You dip it in that butter.
Man, nothing better than this.
Dude, that is bomb.
It's unreal.
Better than Red Lobster?
It's better than Benihana.
And that's a compliment for Jerry at Temple Tusk. Legit, huh?
That's right.
Unbelievable.
No.
I'm gonna tell you guys this much. I've been camping pretty much all my life. And this is probably the best meal I've ever had while camping.
Without a doubt.